If we ever meet again, I'll probably tell you that I like the wrinkles in your eyes when you smile. That I can see through all the lies to keep me from feeling bad. Lame jokes you make up to which I laugh like a giant who is glad. Because I know I won't stop till it hurts. Knowing how imperfect this union, how we cling to that love word. If we ever meet again, I would not deny that I snore. Yes, I do snore, more piercingly than the grizzly bear on a hunt for its lost infant, eating like a drifter, homeless for years, finally found some food that a passerby lent. How I'm unusually quiet sometimes, lost to an alien planet, where perfection and happiness coincides. The time I'd got angry reading the paper, but justice had been once again shamelessly denied. Embarrassing you to death when the auto driver cheated me for a rupee. It was not a rupee lost, but the swindling that angered me and the manner in which he lied. If we ever meet again, because again would be a different time. This time you would know that I was never scared of water. Scared of love. That nowadays has the lifespan of a moth or even shorter. Because the beginnings were always exciting when you would never forget to text that good night. And soon we would act mature, too old to be celebrating anniversary nights. Till a new person came your way making you feel special while you were busy acting old, never realized when we got into the tussle. If we ever meet again, I would not let go of your hand. Because life is too short, and the TikTok devil right behind you, I can see him stand. Would take back the trivial quarrel we had over that stupid text, frivolous reasons and how we fought to such a great extent. Would hold back to the moment our eyes had met, when you thought I was lost and no trace of me that you could get. If we ever meet again, I would tell you how often you had crossed my mind. When algebra and geometry tried so hard occupying my time, and remember the way you had ordered my favorite food, tried making me smile when I felt life was crude, had shown faith when everyone said I chased an unattainable dream, listened to how upset I was over getting the wrong moisturizing cream. If we ever meet again, I would wake up to see you peacefully sleep, a lion taking nap after he had made the entire forest weep. The way you took pride over charming the ladies, how you dominated your ways into ordering your favorite chocolate ice cream. Because time was always running and we let it pass by. Endless memories of a phone which shine brighter while flashing your name, and I still don't know why. If we ever meet again. Because I never knew how tentative was the future. This time, it wouldn't be the two, but your wife would maybe greet us. And this time that we had to ourselves, I wish I had known, for then I would run like a Cinderella at 12 if we ever meet again, because the silly brain kept planning for a perfect future. But this time, I would meet your son, who had your radiant eyes and a flirtatious musher. If we ever meet again, I would want your curve to break into the blissful smile. Should have been awarded an Oscar for the way we acted as strangers, where once the very smell could set the love drive. If we ever meet again, because again would be a different time. This time you wouldn't hold me back, saying it was all a prank, and you wanted to see my nose getting fat as I whine. If we ever meet again, if we ever meet again.
कौन है? कौन है?
किसी ने फूल भेजे हैं।
अरे कल बॉस का फेयरवेल है ना, तो गोपी फूल छोड़ गया होगा, उसे ऊपर रख दो।
जिंदगी बेनाम रिश्तों के सिवा कुछ भी नहीं। जिस्म किसके साथ होंगे, दिल कहाँ रह जाएंगे।